So today's challenge from Prue and Paul is to make a Battenberg cake of your choice. Ready, steady, bake!
Today we are making Minion Battenberg, and I call it Minion Battenberg because it is yellow and blue. Now we will need to grease both the base and sides of 2 tins. And now I am going to twist the dial to 180, ready for the cakes. On the back of the butter, there's a gauge on the side, so we've counted up 25, 50, 75, 100, 125, 150, 175, and we need 175 grams, so it's here. We need 175 grams of caster sugar into here. We are going to cut this into quarters so it's not in big lumps. And then we're going to add it to the sugar. Now crack the 3 eggs, add them one at a time. We are adding the 175 grams of flour and mixing it until smooth. We have half the mixture, and we are going to put 3 drops of blue and 3 drops of yellow in each. We have mixed the blue, and we are doing the yellow. Now we have separated the mixture and put the food colouring in. We will need to put it into these tins. We are going to put them into the oven, and we do it on the middle shelf, and we do it because it cooks the same. We don't want to be burnt and one not to be.
Excellent. Do we know how long for?
25 to 30 minutes.
Excellent.
We're going to see if it is ready. Put it in the middle.
What's that you got?
Skewer.
Okay.
There we go.
All right.
Right, level to stop. It's alright. We are getting both of the mixtures, putting them on the wire rack before we turn them out. We are emptying it out onto the tray.
Yep.
And then peel. Now it is cooled, we can trim it and get it all equal. We are dividing it.
Into how many?
1, 2, 4.
Okay.
Now we have some jam in a bowl, and we need to spread it along the sides. We have covered the whole thing in raspberry jam. We are lifting it on a pre-rolled marzipan. Oh, finally. Some there. Thank you.
It's like it's a parcel.
Huh. And then, yeah. trimming the edges of the marzipan. We are cutting the fondant icing in half, and we are doing striped food colouring. Put it into a bowl. Now we are doing the yellow one. Roll, roll, roll. Yellow. Need it. We were watching the British Bake Off, and someone called Lottie was doing stripes on a Battenberg. So we thought we'd do stripes. So we're just trying to get them as even as we can. We are rolling out the stripes we have done. Looking good. Going all wacky, which is cool, and it feels nice and it looks so cool. Now we are getting the cake, and putting it on to our icing. Now we are moulding it in. Now we need to trim the edges. Now we are turning the cake over onto a plate.
That looks fantastic.
All the hard work.
Excellent.
Wow.
So can the first baker please step forward? So tell me what you've made for us today,
I have
Kate.
made a Minion No. What's it called?
It looks like a Battenberg.
Battenberg, yeah.
Yep. So let's have a slice. Nice thick icing. Soft sponge. Good shapes. That's a little bit shorter, but good shapes. Right, let's give it a go. Very nice. Your sponges are light. The icing's sweet. And there's plenty of jam. Very good. Well done.